Welcome to my tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you how to get up the mountain with a big house. Yes. Just take a small car like this and then drive up. And you don't even get detected. So it's very good. As you can see here, I'm climbing up the stairs. Right? You need a small car, and I will show you the reason for that soon. Yes.
Fire.
I think it's a fish down here. Yes. Yes, here you can see there's some private cave.
Fuck, we're made.
And now you're on the top of this here place, and you did almost not get detected. So it's a very good, and I hope you liked the tutorial video. And remember to like and subscribe. Yes, goodbye.